Now we can use that from inside of our component to gather the data. More specifically, we want to fetch the data from this API as soon as our component loads. Do you know which hook can we use for that? It's going to be the useEffect hook. So right here, we can import the useEffect hook from React. Let's call it, as we learned, useEffect accepts a callback function and an empty dependency array as the second one if we only want to call it at the start. Now inside of there, we're going to call a function that's going to fetch our movies. So just at the top of our useEffect, let's create a new function, const search movies is equal to an async arrow function. Async stands for asynchronous data, which means that it takes some time to fetch these movies. And the search movies is going to accept a search title that we want to search by, like Superman or any other title. There we can say const response is equal to await fetch. And then in here, we can use a template string. You can do that by using the backticks. On my keyboard,